Imagine this. You meet someone in the morning.
You want to speak English, but you don't know what to say.
Do not worry. Today, we will practice daily English conversation.
Simple sentences for real life.
You can use them every day. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Happy English.
Hello, friends. Welcome back.
Before we start, please subscribe to the Happy English channel.
Yes, subscribe and share this podcast with your friends.
Today, we practice daily English conversation.
Listen, repeat, and speak with us.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
I am fine, thank you.
And you?
And you?
I am good.
I am good.
Nice to see you.
Nice to see you.
What are you doing today?
What are you doing today?
I am going to work.
I am going to work.
What time do you start work?
I start work at 9.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like my job.
Why do you like your job?
Because it is interesting.
Listeners, repeat.
I like my job.
Good. Now, afternoon conversation.
Okay.
Are you busy?
Are you busy?
Yes, I am a little busy.
Yes, I am a little busy.
What are you doing now?
I am working on a project.
That sounds good.
That sounds good.
Do you want some coffee?
Yes, I would like some coffee.
Let's take a break.
Let's take a break.
Listeners, repeat.
Let's take a break.
Great. Now let's talk about food.
Everyone likes food.
Are you hungry?
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am hungry.
Yes, I am hungry.
What do you want to eat?
I want to eat rice and chicken.
Do you like fast food?
Sometimes I like fast food.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Listeners, repeat.
My favorite food is pizza.
Excellent. Now, evening conversation.
Okay.
What do you do in the evening?
I relax and watch TV.
Do you watch movies?
Yes, I watch movies.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like action movies.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
What kind of music do you listen to?
I listen to pop music.
Good. Now let's talk about friends.
Friends are important.
Do you have many friends?
Yes, I have many friends.
Do you meet your friends often?
Yes, I meet them on weekends.
What do you do together?
We talk and eat.
That sounds fun.
Yes, it is fun.
Listeners, repeat.
I meet my friends on weekends.
Very good. Now let's talk about free time.
Free time is important.
What do you do in your free time?
I read books and walk in the park.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I like reading.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I exercise 3 times a week.
That is healthy.
Yes, it is good for my body.
Listeners, repeat.
I exercise every week.
Excellent. Now let's talk about plans.
Plans for the future.
What are your plans for tomorrow?
I am going to work and study.
What are your plans for the weekend?
I am going to relax.
Do you like planning?
Yes, I like planning.
Good. Now a small dialogue.
Okay.
Hi, Tom. How are you?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
I am good. What are you doing?
I am studying English.
That's great. Keep going.
Thank you.
Another dialogue.
Okay.
Are you free today?
Yes, I am free.
Do you want to meet?
Yes, let's meet.
Where do you want to go?
Let's go to a cafe.
Excellent. Now let's review.
Review time.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
I am fine, thank you.
I am busy.
I am busy.
I am hungry.
I am hungry.
I am tired.
I am tired.
I am going to work.
I am going to work.
I like music.
I like music.
I meet my friends.
I meet my friends.
I relax in the evening.
I relax in the evening.
Excellent work today.
You practiced daily English conversation.
Practice these sentences every day.
Speaking every day will improve your English.
Comment below.
Tell us about your daily life.
What do you do every day?
We want to hear from you.
Thank you for listening.
Please subscribe to Happy English.
Share this podcast with your friends.
Keep learning English every day.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.